with the new bumper that I bought, because nobody sells a 325 IS rear bumper. Trust me, I looked, it doesn't exist. So this is from a 325i, and they actually have rear mounting supports. They're in a different place. I'll show you. These just have a larger distance, and you're like, oh, just swap this bracket over. Well, you can, but see this whole inner shield? This inner shield is this like plastic kind of polymer. Remove that, the inside shielding off both of them, and I started doing it so that I could swap just the inside brackets, because Torx bits that hold the bolts, and it's so fucking stupid to be able to just take the bracket out for both of them. And the plastic is so brittle that as soon as I started to take out the inner shielding, it's cracking and snapping. And so I'm like, by the time that I take both of them out, come on, Blue. By the time I take both of them out, I won't have any like mounting tabs to be able to put them back together, and then I can't even remount it. So sometimes you have to make some critical decisions when you're working on old cars, because some expensive parts that you're working with and they're old, so you can't just go buy a new one if you break it. So we're gonna make something work here. I had to get a new bumper because this is what happened to this, and you can't fix this. So